Okay, here's the culvert install with the finishing touches underway. Number 2 stone, as mentioned, to try to get some good base on this approach and exit here. You can already see that I had a little bit of a trial run with some tire marks from my semi on here, my dump truck tandem axle, and the rocks, the limestone blocks did not move. Held quite nicely. I had it one tire of the tandem on either end, and it seemed to support just fine with all of the rock that I had spread out here, which was about 12 tons of stone, and yeah, just bringing it up to level. So I also filled in the manholes, and those will get compacted down as water settles things in there and stuff starts to move underneath and resettle. So not too worried about those. They're not going anywhere, I don't think. And then the armoring of the approaches is underway. I will probably top these up with some what we in Indiana call 53s, which is a mixture of smaller stone and powdered pulverized stone, which does a nice job of creating a fairly solid and compact approach. So these will be good foundation as far as drainage goes at the site, which is pretty good normally, but again, what looking to do here was to control flow from this creek, which thankfully this week has been fairly limited, allowing me to work. And there's the armored front of the culvert approach. Again, behind these limestone sections is what had been previously used, which were similar stone compacted there. So hopefully all of that holds, and the elevation change in the swale is enough to permit water to flow through directly over the middle of the swale here, the manufactured swale, and then onto those 3 manhole covers, controlling the flow of water both through the culvert pipes and then over the top, as the water tends to go through this area fairly irregularly, but when it does, it goes with great force. So hoping that this all works out. I will do a follow-up video after we get some heavy rains in the area and get a chance to look at how the ford works. But again, I just wanted to put this out there. I was not able to find a lot of examples of vented fords on YouTube and whatnot, and so here's one that will hopefully work and inspire other people to do similar things. There really isn't much of an option on this site. The only other thing that could have been done for the homeowner here is to actually build a bridge, which would have been considerably much more expensive than what this is in terms of material and labor. And you know, the engineered bridges are quite expensive, and so this allows, as I just demonstrated by driving my dump truck through here, hopefully for many years to come, the ability to drive across with some fairly sizable loads. I mean, 12 tons of rock is not an insignificant load, and just went right over. As soon as I had the first layer of stone, I just was able to drive over and unload on the other side without a problem. So yeah, happy with the outcome. Anxious for first rainstorms so that we can get a look at how this is all working. But okay, we'll do a follow-up video. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments. Thanks for watching.